Here are the quickest methods to insert rows and columns in word tables. Number 1. The plus sign shortcut. This is the fastest way. Hover your mouse just outside the left edge of a row or the top edge of a column. A thin plus icon will appear. Click it to instantly add a row below or a column to the right. Number 2. Using the ribbon tools. Activate Table Tools. Click anywhere inside your table. This will automatically reveal the table design and layout tabs in the ribbon. Navigate to the Layout tab. Select the Layout tab under the Table Layouts. To insert rows or columns, in the Rows and Columns group, you will see 4 clear options. Insert above. Add the row above your current selection. Insert below. Add the row below your current selection. Insert left. Add the column to the left of the current selection. Insert right. Add the column to the right of the current selection. Number 3. Right-click menu. Right-click inside any table cell. Select Insert. Then choose Insert rows above or below, or insert columns left or right. This offers the same insertion options as the ribbon method. The only difference is how you access the commands. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section below which method you like most. Subscribe, like, and share for more tech tips.